Hello everyone. So today we are here to carry on with the series that we started on CS50 Python. Today I'm going to solve problem third in the problem set 0, that is making faces. So let's see what it comprises of. So this problem tells us to create a program which converts these emoticons to emojis, and that too by using functions that we have learned in the previous lectures. So what it says is that in a file called faces.py, you have to implement a function called convert that accepts a string as input and returns the same input with any emoticon converted to emoji. So we would have to create a function convert. Also, we have to implement a function called main that takes the input from the user and convert and calls the convert input. So make use of the convert input for the final output. So what it basically tells us to do is to create a program that could convert emoticons to emojis, and rest all the text should be remain unchanged. So let's start. What we could do here is first of all we create the directory as usual, mkdir make directory faces faces underscore one. Now get into this directory by faces underscore one. Now inside this directory, I will create a file code face.py. Now face.py policy. So what we have to do is convert emoticons, that is this, to emoji. We could just copy and paste the emojis from here. So let's go. What we will do at first is we have to create a main function. We have to define a main function. So define main function. What we will do for that is define main. What should we write inside it? So inside it we have to prompt the user. We have to take an input from the user. So let's give a variable to the input x. X is equal to input, and here it is. So the user will give its input inside the variable x. So now we have to call the convert function as it is specified over here. Call convert on that input. So let's to call that we should do print convert x. Now what does this means? So this would be calling the convert function. But as you can see, it's all other things are like main is yellow, but this is white. Why? Because convert is undefined. We have not defined the convert function till now. What we'll do next line, so we'll define what convert function does. So let's define convert. We could change the variable as we want A, B, C, D, and I'm taking N here. So define convert, and let's what we have to do here to change, as we have learned in the previous problem, that the replace we use string dot replace. So n is equal to n, that would be x, that would be string, so dot replace. So what we have to replace is emoticon smiling one with a smiling emoji. So let's copy it from here and print it over here. We could copy this same code. Next line, all you have to do is set process. I don't even remember how it comes with. Okay, this is it. So there's side emoticon, or even slightly thrown in place. This is it. Now we have to return this one, right? We have to, like, the string is changed by this replace. It is replaced by emoticons, we replace by emojis. But we have to return this function back, right? So that it could be called by main function. So we have to return, and so as we will be returning in this, we have to write main to carry out the program. Let's see if it works. First of all, let's first clear this, and now carry out Python base.py given the command hello, and let's do the from. Yes, it's there. Now again Python base, and it's a by the smiling face, and let's do by with the smiling face. So the program is working fine. Now we'll meet at the next problem, that would be Einstein. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.